Thank you to the people of South Dakota for making an important statement today that evil, that the rising scourge of Jew hatred metastasizing throughout our country and throughout our world will be given no safe home in this great state of South Dakota. Thank you for making that statement. In order to confront a threat, any threat, we have to be able to understand the threat. That's how you win. The IHRA definition is a global gold standard that allows us to recognize this evil of Jew hatred. The power of the IHRA definition is that it includes 11 examples of how anti-Semitism is typically manifested. And those examples include not only old traditional medieval anti-Semitism that blamed Jews for every malady in the world, but also the so-called new anti-Semitism, which really isn't so new. And I want you to know something. The fact that this powerful statement is being made in the state with the smallest Jewish population in the country is deeply, deeply powerful. Throughout history, this evil, this spiritual sickness of Jew hatred has never only been about Jews. It starts with Jews. But make no mistake, Jew hatred is an assault on America. Hatred of the Jewish people is hatred of the very values, of the very DNA, of the very spiritual constitution of the United States of America. And so South Dakota, in standing up and saying, no, not here, not here, we are going to say no to this evil, to this spreading evil.
We need to have this type of legislation, not just here in South Dakota, but across the country. To sign a bill like this into law that will be an example to the nation is a very powerful thing for South Dakota to do. It's entitled An Act to Require the Consideration of the Definition of Antisemitism when Investigating Unfair or Discriminatory Practices. Signed this 6th day of March by Governor Kristi Noem.